Guys, I will show you how to trade on Pokemon Pocket, TCG Pocket. So if you don't know how to trade, open first your Pokemon Pocket, come here to this three line and click on others, click on this settings. You have first to allow an option. Scroll this list until you found trade. So if you found it like this, you have to enable this option. After enable this option, you have to back and click here, social help. And we found three options. Here you can click on trade. And here guys, you can trade. For example, me, I'm just in a level 2, so I can't trade right now. If you are in level 3, it will lock it and you can trade. So that's it guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and